all right, plus x cubed, okay, plus, I'll just put 1, okay, all right. So what they're just saying is that they're just giving you random values. So we're just going to put 1s for those letters. Okay, so this is what the graph looks like. It looks like this. This would be positive infinity, negative because it's a right arrow going down. This would be left going up. So it says, which of the following behavior describes the end behavior of this? As x approaches negative infinity. Well, that's going to be this one. So that's going to lead to positive infinity. Okay? All right, that's all of them. Okay? An infinite series question. Okay? What we have to have an idea of is that it's going to be a1, since it's geometric, times r to the n minus 1. Okay, well the a1 is n. The r, okay, the way you figure that out is negative 6 divided by 9, which will be negative 2/3. Okay? So since it's a fraction, I'm going to do something like that. N minus 1. Okay? So that is my formula. Okay? I know that's a little tricky with that negative, but you got to divide the second by the first. Second by the first. So I go to option, calc, scroll, E. And so I do 9, all right, times, parentheses, fraction, okay, negative 2 over 3. I close the parentheses, so I have that extra set in there, exponent of alpha 8 minus 1. Okay, I start with alpha n is 1, and since I'm going to infinity, I put 100. I get 5.4, which as a fraction is 27 over 5. Okay, the key is second divided by first. Okay, that's done. 32 is done. 33 is done. 34. What is the domain? Well, the idea here is that my anchor point is 1, 0, so my asymptote's at 1. All right, this would be x equals 1. So when I make that little thing, this will be 1. If you want to graph it so you can see what it looked like. All right. All right, log x minus 1. All right, so what I got is this. But the idea with logs is it's going to go like that. Okay, so this would be infinity, infinity. Okay, this would be 1, negative infinity. So if I look at the smallest x is 1, the biggest x is infinity. So this would be x is greater than 1, which would be that. The easy way to look at that is whatever the x coordinate is, that's what's going to tie there. Okay, 35 has been completed. 36 is the last problem I got to do. Okay, it says find the first terms. Okay, find the first 20 terms. Okay, well this is going to be the formula for that. All right, well my A1 is a third. All right, my difference is they're going up by 1/3. So what I have to do is take the 20 and put it right in here for n. Okay, that's a pretty tricky problem because of the fraction. Okay, people think that's geometric. So 1/3 plus 20 minus 1, all right, times 1/3. That's 20 over 3, okay? Oh, but it said sum, I'm sorry. It said sum. So we're not going to do that. That's just my formula, all right? Sorry, we want to go to option, calc, scroll, E, and we want to do 1/3 plus alpha, whoops, parenthesis alpha n minus 1, all right, times 1/3 alpha n. You can use x if you prefer. It doesn't matter. So infinity, we put 100. No, I'm sorry. Since they want 20, we put 20. Alright, so it's gonna be 70. Okay, sorry about that. A couple errors on my part. Alright, I think that's it. Okay? Alright, so hopefully you got better from the first one to the second one. What you want to do is keep trying to pick up those questions, especially the calculator parts.